What is decision making? So whenever we talk about the decision making from the consumer's point of view, we know that decision making is of 5 steps. Like, it starts from the need recognition, and it ends at the like the post purchase regret or the post purchase happiness. So these are the different 5 steps. There are basically the 5 steps for the decision making. If we talk about the company's manager, they have also, they are supposed to take certain decisions. So whatever decisions, it doesn't matter whether we are talking about from the consumer's point of view or from the manager's point of view. Every time the manager should be the manager, not only the manager, the decision maker should have some emotional intelligence. So basically, the term emotional intelligence means the decision maker must have a control over the emotions, so that whatever decision the decision maker is taking, that should be beneficial for both. If the decision maker is taking some decision for the organization, then it should give, or it should have some positive benefits. If decision maker is taking some decision for his or her own life, then also it should have some positive impact. So basically, there is one term which is known as emotional intelligence. So that emotional intelligence is very important while when we are talking about the decision making. Suppose I'll give you some example, or I'll give you some situation, and I'll ask, give some suggestions or take some decisions. So in that case, everybody will give their own suggestions, but whether those suggestions are based on certain data, or what is the basic, or what is the backup for your whatever suggestions you are giving to the company. So that's why, for the purpose of making decision, or your decision, or whatever strategies or whatever suggestions you are giving to the company, it should be backed up by some information. Some information means some data. So that, for that purpose, for making the proper decision making, so that it should be beneficial, it should have a positive impact on the company, you should know certain research techniques. As a manager or as a CEO of the organization, you should know how to analyze the data. And when you have data, when you can analyze the data, you can get some information. So when you have n number of informations that you have collected from the environment, you can place your decisions, because the numbers are telling you something, and you can place your decision based on the numbers. So for the purpose of decision making, or just to control, or when the decision maker is having an emotional control over the any decision making process, for that purpose, so in order to place that decision, the research is required, the data analysis is required. Thank you so much.